Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to be reviewing these guys that I have on. These are the Avantree Resolve open ear earphones, and they are unbelievably amazing. I have been so impressed with these earphones. They are wired earphones. They use your standard auxiliary jack. First of all, the sound quality is amazing. I put these on for the first time and plugged them into my iPhone using an adapter, and started playing music, and I couldn't believe how crisp and clear the sound is on these earbuds. It's amazing. The sound is amazing, and that's the number one thing with a pair of earbuds or earphones. You want to have great quality sound, because if you don't have that, nothing else matters. But the sound on these were amazing. And what's great is that open ear design. You can see they just have this nice, simple, flat bass, and then this really great, very soft silicone earpiece that goes around your ear, and they just sit over your ear canal, but nothing goes in your ear canal. Even the best, most comfortable earbuds that go in your ear canal, after a while, you get tired. They start to bother you if you wear them for long periods of time. You could wear these all day long and they never bother you because they're just sitting lightly on top of your ear. What's great though, or a couple things that's great about that is, one, even though they're not inside your ear canal and the sound is amazing, people around you don't hear them. The sound is directed straight into your ear canal, so people around you aren't hearing the music or the audiobook or whatever you're listening to, the podcast, only you hear it. Additionally, because they are open ear, because they're not in your ear canal, clogging your ear canal, you can hear what's going on around you. So this is great when you're taking your dog on a walk and you need to be aware of cars and things. Or if you're working in the office and you want to listen to music, but if someone comes up behind you and asks you a question, you need to be able to hear them. And with these, you can do that. Besides that, they're super comfortable. The silicone earpiece that goes around the back of your ear, it's nice, it's soft. It's so easy to put these on if you're going out for a walk or even for a run. You just put these on your, plug these into your phone, put these over your ears, and then you are ready to go. And besides those features, also these have this really nice inline control, which also has a mic built into it, so you can use that for hands-free calling. You can also use it to control the volume, to turn the volume up or down, as well as pause or play your music or audiobook, which is great. And then they also have this nice little clip on the line, so you can clip this to your clothing so that when you're out and about, you don't want the cord dangling. You can clip it to your clothing so that it won't be kind of swinging around or dangling while you're moving, or especially if you're running or walking fast or something like that, which is really, really great. So really excellent design features, and a nice long cord so that you can have your phone in your pocket or have it on your arm in a armband if you have something like that. Wherever you need the cord to go, you've got plenty of cord for that. But it's a nice thin cord, not weighty at all, which is great. The main thing though is the sound quality, and I'm going to really quick jump over to a video where you're going to be able to see firsthand, or hear, or not hear firsthand, just how awesome these things allow you to hear sound without the people around you hearing sound. So let's check that video out. Okay, so right now I'm about 1.5 feet from the camera, and you hear my voice. I am listening to this music at a normal listening level. Like, this is the level that I would normally listen to music at. I'm going to turn it up a little louder than what I normally like my music to be. So I'm going to... Okay, so this is like the loudest I would probably want music in my ears on a consistent basis. I mean, I hear it fully, but the question is, can you hear it? Probably not. And what's awesome is not only can I hear the music, but because of the open ear design, I can still hear what's going on around me. I can still hear myself talking, I can still hear other things that are going on, but you can't hear my music. And just to give you an example, I'm going to take this out and hold this up to the microphone. So you can see that you do hear the music clearly through this without everyone around you hearing it. They may hear it a tiny bit if you have it really loud, but They're not really hearing it. You're hearing it clearly, and you can still hear what's going on around you, and that's what makes these earphones awesome. So you can see, when these are on me, I'm listening, I'm hearing my music loud and clear and crisp, and again, the sound is just unbelievable. It's great, but people around me can't hear it. Unless they get right up to my ear, they're not going to hear it, which is awesome. Really excellent product by Avantree. Again, they are the Avantree Resolve open ear earbuds. Really excellent product. If you're looking for earbuds, definitely these are ones to consider. Even if you maybe previously were thinking about getting wireless Bluetooth earbuds, I would say give these a chance. The sound is far superior to anything you're going to get through Bluetooth, because you just can't get lossless audio through Bluetooth. You can get great quality, but not lossless. Like you can through wired earbuds. And besides that, having these nice, comfortable, open ear that don't bother your ears, as well as allow you to hear what's going on around you without people hearing what you're listening to. Really wonderfully made earbuds by Avantree. Again, the Avantree Resolve, definitely a product that I would recommend.